Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX360 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX360 support and go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a Canon support page for PIXMA MX360 directly on canon.com. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we are on Canon's website, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then underneath area number 3, or the third category here, there should be a My Printer file in here. Select the download button that corresponds to that file and then run it once it's done downloading to your computer. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then you can close out of the browser, and then you want to proceed with the installation here. Select your region, country, and then agree to the license terms. And if you choose to change the installation path, you can by selecting the browse button, but I'm just going to select next here to continue on with the installation. And then if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can. Just keep that check marked in there. And then if you open up that application, you can access a variety of different printer settings here as well as troubleshooting. If you're unable to connect to the printer, you may want to go underneath Diagnose and Repair Printer and then go about the troubleshooting steps that are automated largely through here. And then hopefully your issue would have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.